Hey there, Tiffany Thomas with WealthyTiffany.com, and in today's video we're going to be talking about what is going on with the stock market and should we continue to invest in it or take out all of our investments. So if you guys are ready to dive in, click that like button and we are going to get started. Alright, I'm sure you've seen some crazy stuff going on with the stock market because of what's going on in the world. And I had someone reach out to me and ask, should I invest in the stock market right now or should I wait for a while? Is it going to go down even further? What's going to happen and what should I do? So I wanted to create just a really quick video for you guys and tell you what I would do. And this is exactly what I would do. So right now, where the stock market has taken a dip, it's a good time to invest because stocks are on sale right now, and who doesn't like a good sell, right? And if you're wondering, should I invest right now or should I hold off for a little bit and see if it goes down even further? Here's what I would say to that. If you have some money to invest, I would say get it in the stock market and get it invested. It's really about time in the market and not timing the market. I really like that phrase because it helps you think about the long-term perspective when you are investing and you're not thinking, oh, should I invest today? Should I wait for the stock price to go down even further? It's more about getting in the stock market and leaving it in there over the long term rather than trying to time the stock market. The stock market has even come up a little bit since it went down. And yes, it may continue to go down, but what if it doesn't? Then you've missed out. So I would say take that long-term perspective and be grateful that it has taken a dip right now and invest in the stock market because you don't know what's going to happen. It could go back up tomorrow or it could go down even further, but are you willing to take that risk? And maybe you are, but I would say get in while you can, and even if it does continue to go down, just hold your investments and remember to keep a long-term mindset because the stock market always comes back up. So even if you didn't get in at the lowest point, the stock market will continue to come back up, so it's still a good time to invest. And let me share my screen with you and show you exactly where we're at with the stock market. So you can see that the stock market has gone down and then it came back up a little bit, but still went down. So it's not back to where it was just a short time ago. So it's a good time to invest in the stock market. And it is not the time to sell your investments because ideally you want to buy low and sell high. So right now, where the stock market has taken a dip, now is a good time to buy, not a good time to sell. You want to sell when the stock market is up and you have made some money on your investments. To me, it's not really worth taking that risk of waiting to see if it drops down even further. I like getting in while it's still a good value because they're still on sale. Stocks are on sale. So I just want to say, remain calm, hold your investments, and if you have money to invest, then go ahead and invest it. And that way you still know that you got a good deal on your investments, even if it still continues to go down. But I feel like it's not worth the risk to wait to see if it goes down even further. And even if it does continue to go down further, if you still have a little extra money, then you could invest some more and continue to invest. Greed and fear are the two things that drive the stock market. So we want to ignore those two and invest when people are not investing, when they're afraid to be investing because the stock market has taken a dip. And we want to not become greedy and wait for it to continue to go up and up and up if we want to sell our investments and use that money towards something else. So hopefully this helps put a little perspective on whether or not you should be investing right now. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel so we can get this content out to more people. And just as a side note, if you guys want to get 2 free stocks, Webull is running a promotion right now. If you open a free brokerage account with them, you get 1 free stock, and if you deposit $100, you will get a second free stock valued up to $1,400, and then you can do whatever you would like with your stocks. So I will leave my referral link below, and you can check out their promotion. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.